Okay, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how you can integrate Chatgpt with your autoresponder, which is going to help you reply to messages from your WhatsApp or your GB WhatsApp, whatever type of WhatsApp you are using. I'm going to be showing you how you can set these two together, and it's going to help you reply to those messages. So let's go into the video. Now you'll be needing this autoresponder. If you look at my screen, you can see this autoresponder I have here. That's what we'll be needing. This is a premium unlocked autoresponder. So if you need this, just comment in the comment section and I'm going to give you access to it for a little token, because it is not for free. It's a premium unlocked one already, so you don't have to pay for any other stuff. So let's get into it. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to open up. So once it opens up, okay, this is what you are going to see. If you've not created any rule, I believe you already know how to use autoresponder. So if you've not created any rule, you're not going to see any stuff here. The page is going to be white. So now this is what you want to do. You want to click on the three lines at the top left of your screen. You click on it and this is what is going to come out. You see, so you scroll down to where you have doc. You can see where you have docs, DOCX. You click on it, so it's going to take you to your default browser that you have there. Now this is where it's going to take you to. You see this? So you want to click on this first post you have here by Team Kosmala. You want to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you into the post. Yes, it's going to show you how you're going to set it up. Now this is what you're going to see. So you want to scroll down. You can read this if you want to read this, but I'm not going to read this because I don't want to waste much time in this tutorial. So you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down. Now you can see, follow these instructions to set up Chatgpt/GPT-3 and autoresponder. Now the first instruction is get an autoresponder. Yes, like that's the one you need to use, that one there. Get an autoresponder. Check the how to if needed. If you don't have, you can check how to get it, or you just chat me on the comment section to get the premium unlock one, where you can have access to everything that is needed. Number two, once you've gotten your autoresponder, create an OpenAI API account. For those of you that has not created an OpenAI account, you cannot do this. All you have to do is go and create an OpenAI account. There is a video here on this channel for you to be that's going to show you how to create an OpenAI account. Go there and watch it. It's on the comment section, it's on the description of this video. So go there and watch how you're going to create an OpenAI account with your smartphone, in case you don't have a laptop. Okay, the next point is to get your API key from here. Now this is what we are going to be needing. Now if you've gotten an autoresponder and you've created the OpenAI account, you are going to get your API key, and that's what you're going to be using for this integration of your Chatgpt into your autoresponder. So I'm going to click on this place. I'm going to click on it. You see that? I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to load into that section where I'm going to generate my OpenAI my API key that I'll be using for the integration. Now this is it. Now you can see your secret API key are listed below. Please note that we do not display your secret key again after you generate them. Do not share your API key with others or expose it in the browser, blah blah blah. You can read through. Now this is what you want to do. Sorry, if you have not created an API key, you're going to click on this stuff you have there, create new secret key. You can see it on my screen there, create new secret key. Now these are my keys that I've created already, so I'm not going to create any one. So once you click on create new secret key, this is what is going to come up. You see that? So you click on copy. Okay, you click on copy. Then once you click on copy, okay, let me just click on copy. Let me click on copy. Once you click on copy, okay, once you click on copy, now this is what you want to do. Let's go back to the instructions we have there. Now after you've copied it, create a new autoresponder rule. So now we are going to go to our autoresponder. We're going to go to our autoresponder. Where is it? Okay, it's not here. Let's go to our autoresponder from here. Now, how do you create the rule? Click on this plus sign at the top, at the downside of your screen. You can see the plus sign there. You click on it. So once you click on it, now this is what is going to come up. Now your next instruction there says tap the all button at the top right corner if you want the AI to reply to any incoming messages. So now there are exceptions to this rule. That is, you can tell the AI what you want the AI to, the messages you want them to reply to. But in this tutorial, I'm just teaching you how AI can help you reply to all messages from your WhatsApp business. As time goes on, I'm going to upload a video, that's other videos on how to teach the Chatgpt to reply to specific messages from specific contacts. But this video is all about how you can integrate Chatgpt to your WhatsApp to help to make Chatgpt respond to every messages that comes in. So let's go back to our autoresponder. Now you're going to click on that all. You can see the all at the top right corner. You click on it all. Okay, you click on OK. Now this is what you want to do. You want to scroll down to this place. You have connect OpenAI's Chatgpt/GPT-3. You click on it. Once you click on it, you click on OK. Now that key that you have, that you copied, that you created and you copied, you come and paste it here. You can see what you have here, API key. You get that? You come and paste it here. So I'm just going to paste it here for you to see. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. Now I've pasted it. I believe you know how to paste already. So I've pasted it. That's all you want to do. You don't want to do any other thing. Everything that is here, you are going to leave it the way it is, okay? Because you want this Chatgpt to help you reply to all messages that comes into your DM. Okay, so that is it. So once you've created this rule, you're going to click on this good sign. You're going to click on the good sign, okay? So once you click on the good sign, that's all you want to do, okay? That's all you want to do. And once Chatgpt is integrated with your auto responder. So now let's go and test this and see how it goes. Let's go and test it. I'm going to test from my other line on my phone here. I'm going to text it from my other WhatsApp in my phone here and see what is going to come up. And we are going to see how Chatgpt is going to respond to our messages. So let's just check it out. Now, if you are still watching up to now, I will need you to subscribe. Yes, please subscribe to this channel to help the channel grow, because I dish out content that people pay for. If you have gone through my videos, you see that content I dish out are content people pay heavily for to get. But in this channel, I'm going to give you for free. So click on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this, you are going to get notified. Okay, you're going to get notified that I've dropped videos like this. And also share this video, and also leave a good comment in the comment section. Okay, now this is my WhatsApp business that I have here in this phone. So I'm just going to chat the WhatsApp. Let me wait for the messages to load up. Okay, now as you can see today, you can see I was earlier on I was discussing with the WhatsApp Chatgpt. Yes, so let me just send a message to it. Hello, are you there? Hello, are you there? Let me see what is going to reply me. Okay, hello, are you there? Once the message goes through, a reply is going to come from the Chatgpt. So the message has not gone. The network is really bad. And also one thing that can limit the replies from the Chatgpt is when your network is really bad, like I'm experiencing right now. I don't know why this network is having a problem. When your network is really bad, the replies, Chatgpt will not be able to reply. That is, the auto responder will not be able to pick the messages that are coming into your WhatsApp business or your WhatsApp that you've connected to your autoresponder. Okay, let's see. The network is really bad here. Okay, let me go and open up my WhatsApp, my business WhatsApp, to see if ChatGPT is going to help me reply to them. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are waiting if ChatGPT, if the autoresponder is going to pick up this message, if it's going to pick it up. Okay, let's just go and send another. Let's see if it's going to work here. So the network is really bad, that is why you're having these issues. Hey, okay, I don't know why the network is really bad. Message takes ages long to respond. Okay, I think it has replied me. Yeah, I think it has replied me. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, let's open up to see if it has replied me. Okay, it's showing here that it has replied, but it is not reflecting on my WhatsApp. It is not reflecting on my other WhatsApp here. Let's see what might be the problem. It has not reflected that it has replied. As you can see here, look at the one I sent. Hey, hello, how can I assist you today? That is the reply I got from it, but it has not reflected here on my WhatsApp. So let's see what is okay. These are just because of network problem. You can see, yes, I am here, how can I help you today? Okay, let me just tell him to do something for me. Make a simple list on how to set up. Okay, you can see the messages are coming. These are network problems. Set up a face, make a brief, okay, let me look for something else to say. Tell me a short story about love. Okay, let's see. Tell me a short story about love. Okay, let's see if it's gonna do that. If the network is going to allow it to do that. Tell me a short story about love. Let's see if the network is going to allow you to do that, because one thing that okay, you can see once upon a time there was a young blah 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 blah. You can see the response are so massive. Now this can help you talk to people whenever you are not around to chat. Yes, there are other videos I'm going to do that I'm going to show you how you can set it properly, that is going to help you respond to people in your DMs when you are not available to chat with them. You can see this is very nice. Okay, let's test it for the last time to see. I want to know who I'm chatting with. Okay, now this is how it's going to reveal itself. I want to know who I am chatting with. Okay, let's see. I want to know who I'm chatting with. Now he said, I am an AI assistant created by autoresponder AI to assist you and communicate with you. You can ask me almost anything and I will do my best to provide you with helpful and informative response. You can see now this is a very, very great tool that WhatsApp marketers can use to close in sales. There are ways to set this up and I'm working on it, and that video is going to be released in a short while. I'm working on it, how you can set this up and get the best part out of this autoresponder. So make sure you are always tuned to my channel, because I'll be dropping this kind of information on a daily basis. So that is it. So let's go to this my WhatsApp. Let's go to my other WhatsApp, which is this, and see that it has helped me responded to it. You can see my MTN line. You can see, look at the charts. Hey, blah blah blah. It responded. I wasn't there. It has responded. You see. So that is it. That is how to integrate Chatgpt into your autoresponder for your WhatsApp. So see you in the next video.